Amazon's 7 Innovative Businesses Strategy. 1. Prime Delivery. Amazon's innovative business strategy revolves around its Prime Delivery service, offering fast and reliable shipping to customers, increasing loyalty and satisfaction. 2. Amazon Web Services (AWS). By pioneering cloud computing services, AWS enables businesses to access scalable and cost-effective infrastructure, fostering innovation and digital transformation. 3. Marketplace expansion. Amazon's strategy involves expanding its marketplace, allowing third-party sellers to reach a broader customer base while diversifying its product offerings and driving customer loyalty. 4. Alexa and voice commerce. Leveraging voice technology, Amazon's Alexa ecosystem enables customers to shop, control smart devices, and access information hands-free, creating new opportunities for seamless commerce. 4. Alexa and voice commerce. Leveraging voice technology, Amazon's Alexa ecosystem enables customers to shop, control smart devices, and access information hands-free, creating new opportunities for seamless commerce. 5. Data-driven personalization. By leveraging customer data, Amazon customizes recommendations, advertising, and offers, enhancing customer experience and driving sales through targeted marketing strategies. 6. Amazon Go stores. With its cashier-less stores, Amazon combines advanced technologies like computer vision, sensor fusion, and AI to create a frictionless shopping experience, redefining traditional brick-and-mortar retail. 7. Content creation and streaming. Amazon's investment in original content and streaming services like Prime Video and Twitch allows the company to attract and retain customers, promoting engagement and generating additional revenue streams.